Hello, this is Mrs. Lew. Let's look at this maths question. Express this expression as a cubic equation. So you notice here the base is square root 2. So it looks a little bit difficult. So we need to get rid of this square root 2, makes it easier. So log square root 2y. I bring this whole expression over first, plus log 2 y minus 6 equals to 3. So let me change base to a natural log. So we'll have log y over log 2 to the power of half. So I'll put the half over here, plus log y minus 6 over log 2 equals to 3. So now I bring the 2 up. So I will have the LCM as log 2. Equals to 3 log 2. So let me bring this power up and this power up. So log y to the power 2. Bring the 2 up to become a power. Log y minus 6 equals to log 2 to the power of 3. So let's combine these two together. So we get y squared y minus 6 is equals to log 8. Combine these two together, and hence therefore this one y cubed minus 6y squared is equals to 8. So the equation is actually y cubed minus 6y squared equals minus 8 is equals to 0. That's how we get the cubic equation. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.